this video, I'm going to show you how to do this simple, elegant, glamour press-on nail design. On the pinky, it's going to have all rhinestones. So first I put some holographic glitter on it, just in case if you see the background. And on the rest of the nails, I'm going to have dark blue by Saviland. And I think this gel polish is going to be perfect for jelly nails. It just looks so gorgeous. So after a second coat, I start working on my pinky nail, and the rhinestones I'm going to use is AB iridescent rhinestones, and I'm using these round ones, and then later on I'm going to show you the other shape, which is the teardrop. And this design I'm going for is so beautiful and sparkly. But first I'm going to put a layer of top coat so the rhinestones can have a smooth surface to lay on, since you know it's glitter has texture. And I'm using Beetle's top coat. Is very shiny. It's my favorite so far. I need to get more. So going back to the blue nails, I'm using the silver out of the same collection. It's very sparkly. All you need is like 2 coats and you'll be fine. So for the design, I'm just doing a triangle at the cuticle and then a line in the middle. And sorry this is blurry. It's only this clip that's blurry, but I'm just trying to figure out how big I want the triangle and try to keep it consistent through the whole nail design. When gluing on the rhinestones, I'm using this brush on glue by Kiss. And here's the second rhinestone. I'm using the tiniest one. Only got like 3 left. And then the largest one. But before I glue down the rhinestones, I'm lightly buffing the layer so the rhinestones can stick better. So when gluing down the rhinestones, I kept putting layers of glue on a large part of the nail at a time instead of small parts. And I suggest you not do that, or it's going to dry very quickly when you get to that area and make the background pretty cloudy, because the hollow glitter wasn't really sparkly even when I put top coat on the open areas. It turned out very, very beautiful. I love how sparkly and have all the rainbow iridescence to it. And after a second coat, we silver and the pinky done. That's how it looks so far. And yeah, this took me a couple of tries, but I figured out how long I want the line to be. And it's just a simple line coming from the top of the triangle, pretty much. I did that too, all the nails. Did 2 coats, fixed it with acetone. So to top off the design, I'm using some top coat by Beetles, and I wanted to see how it looked with matte, so I'm also using a matte top coat on the other hand. This is all practice, so it's not a big deal. Starting off with the glossy. Very beautiful, very pretty, very beautiful. I think, yes, my favorite, to be honest. And now the matte. The matte is not ugly, but it's not my favorite, but it's still cool though. I still love it. I hope you like this video. Make sure you share and comment. And also subscribe. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye.
Bye.